The Borno State Contributory Healthcare Management Agency is positioned to boost its healthcare sector with massive investments. Executive Secretary of the agency, Abba Kazamade, made this known in Maiduguri. Jesse Tafida reports.
The Borno State government has been setting the pace when it comes to quality healthcare services. Its Contributory Healthcare Management Agency has so far facilitated the accreditation of 183 primary healthcare facilities in the state. All these efforts are to improve effective, efficient and equitable healthcare services for the people of the state. At this press briefing, Executive Secretary of the agency, Abba Kazamade, lists out plans by the government to further revamp the sector.
I want to use this opportunity to appreciate His Excellency Professor Babagana Umar Zulum for entrusting this agency to me once again and for his commitment towards the actualization of the universal health coverage. The total vulnerable persons enrollment across the state now stands at 63,000, which was done across 153 primary healthcare facilities across 25 local government areas, with the exception of Abadam and Guzamala.
The agency also disclosed that the state governor has pledged to offer 1% equity grant from the consolidated state and local council revenue for purchase of efficient healthcare equipment.
Since its establishment, Boshma has received the total sum of over 1.3 billion through the Basic Healthcare Provision Fund and informal sector schemes. The agency is embarking on the full enforcement of the scheme with such development in accordance with the law establishing the agency and by extension that of the National Health Insurance Authority.
To cushion the effects of fuel subsidy removal on its staff, the Borno State Contributory Healthcare Management Agency has put in place an increase on monthly stipends of its staff.
I spend 1,000 every day. I feel really happy and grateful because I myself have to take 3 drops coming from my home to the office. So this will definitely help me through my transportation.
Boshma further calls on residents of the state to make good use of this opportunity provided by the government for better living conditions.
The Borno State Contributory Healthcare Management Agency say it will continue to increase easy access to quality healthcare services to the people so as to cushion the effects of the 13-year insurgency. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Maiduguri.
Government and critical stakeholders have been admonished to address the multifaceted challenges faced by young people in the country. This came to the fore at a training program organized to mark the 2023 World Youth Skill Day held in Osogbo, the Osun State capital. Rafiu Hamid reports.
The World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on the 15th of July every year as declared by the United Nations General Assembly. The motive is to celebrate the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work, and entrepreneurship. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, about 53.4% of youths in Nigeria are unemployed. Ensuring reduction in the unemployment rate brings about this program to train young people on how to acquire skills needed to be active in a productive economy.
A number of persons have gone into illegality, so I feel if I am a skilled person and I earn a living from this, I should be able to create a program that can help youths around. Somewhere around there have a very good influence, so I can use my influence to bring in persons that have done so well for themselves using their skills.
Facilitators solicit support of government in equipping the young people.
We should look inward into the skills that are untapped. Look at our entrepreneurs out there. We have more entrepreneurs down here in Osun State. Now people are coming down to the state to invest the little way they can to live peacefully and all. So government can look into all this and create platform, funded platform for tech people, for digital marketers and all.
Most organizations you go to today, they are not just looking for those that have learned something alone. They are not just looking for those that have knowledge alone, but they are looking for those that can practically apply. The problem we have today is that a lot of graduates that leave the university, they have knowledge, but they can't apply. right? So that is why a program like this is set up to educate people how valuable getting a skill is in our modern day.
The event had thousands of attendees, including those who participated virtually.
If governments can do this for us, this is all what we want. We know that the official works, the corporate jobs cannot cover us all. But at least if they should be doing this for us, definitely they are helping our life. It's not like they are leaving us the way they are leaving us.
The theme for the World Youth Skills Day 2023 is skilling teachers, trainers, and youth for a transformative future. Rafi Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.